Welcome to this walkthrough of the ALT prototype. Let's watch a typical user session presenting the features and functionalities along the way. This is the login page of the student's interface. The home page shows the student scores presented both in tables and graphs and a history of the student's recent study sessions. Each study session could be customized. There is an option to generate a random word list which will include words that students have made mistakes with in previous sessions. There are other options. You can generate a revision word list comprised of words previously studied, a word list comprised of only new words, or a mixture of both. Or students can choose to study a particular vocabulary group from a list, for example, Unit 7, Recycling. Students can also select a skills focus. Let's start the study session. Phase 1. Each study session starts with a presentation screen. This gives students the opportunity to browse and study all the words in their generated or selected word list. The words are presented like flashcards in a cover flow layout, which allows the student to view each word and its associated metadata, image, audio, Castilian translation, and definition. Phase 2. Students are given interactive activities to test their knowledge of each word in the word list. In this activity, students match words to the corresponding images or strongest associated metadata, translation, or definition. Notice that the student has made mistakes with bag and jar. There are 12 lexical objects in this word list, and as each activity type in Phase 2 has room for 6 elements, each activity is repeated twice. In this activity, students read sample sentences and match words to the corresponding gaps to complete the sentences. The comprehension skills sequence is designed to test students' knowledge of all the lexical objects in the word list, providing a balanced selection of reading, writing, and listening practice. All activities give feedback for correct and incorrect answers. Activities with typing functionality return immediate feedback for wrong answers and show students the correct spelling. Note that cardboard is spelled incorrectly here. You can start Phase 3 of the study session. This phase is adaptive and can vary in length, according to the number of words that the student needs to practice further. Remember that bag, jar and cardboard were all answered incorrectly in Phase 2? While the application generates a revised word list to practice in Phase 3, composed of only the words the student made a mistake with during Phase 2 of the study session. The adaptive algorithm ensures that students receive extra practice exercises on the words they have not yet fully assimilated, creating meaningful, targeted learning sequences. In this way, the ALT prototype creates a unique, personalized study session for every student every time. Phase 4. By completing all the activities in Phase 3, the student unlocks the final stage of the study session, the memory game. This memory game presents 6 words and gives the student 10 seconds to memorize them, before one is removed. To win a bonus point, the student has to type in the word that has disappeared. This activity adds an element of fun to the study session, changes the pace, and activates memorization. There is a second variation of the game in which associated metadata, image, translation, definition are presented instead of the word themselves, increasing the level of challenge. Try it yourself this time. Did you get it right? This student didn't. The answer was can. After the study session, the student can return to the home page to view results. They earn skill points for activities completed in Phases 2 and 3 and bonus points for the memory game in Phase 4. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of the ALT prototype. Thank you for watching.